We're about to go out and fill in the trenches. Want to show you the new lights. We'll run them every 8 feet. Let's get outside and get that. Out here filling up the trenches. I'm going to show you how I do it with these 4 basic tools. Don't laugh about the sledgehammer. We'll show you what we do with it. In the home office, just from the basically backyard project, the office is in a mess. Finishing up some last touches on the drip system for this side of the backyard project. Bang this out real quick, putting the aggregate back.